Good morning, my dear children. Today we again start our virtual class. Last day we are already covered. Before few days we are already covered the alphabets, the number, the accent. By the help of the alphabets we are already make some words. And last day we are already covered days of the week. That means Zur Dila Semen. Today we discuss the month of the year and the season of the year. Okay, that is the very important topic on your syllabus. So at first put the date. Today's date is 24th June 2021. Day is Thursday. Subject is French, and today topic months and season both we are discussed today. So I write in the board the month of the year and the season of the year. You write in your copy. At first put the heading months of the year. Months in French, mois, M-O-I-S, mois. The, that means of. L'année, the year. So at first you write in English form, that's January to December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. You have to write in English form. I write in French form. And after completing writing, I one by one I pronounce it. Okay. At first I discuss the month of the year. After completing the month of the year, discuss the season of the year. Okay. So I write in the board. You write in your copy. See the board properly. At first writing January to December in English form, then you write in French form. And after completing writing, I one by one I have to pronounce with spelling. I have to pronounce it. At first write it carefully. Okay. Now we start the month of the year. First of all, January. January in French form, Janvier. Jan sound A. So Jan, Jean. Viera, Janvier. I repeat again. Jan, Jean. Viera, Janvier. Is it clear? Now, February. F-E-B-R-I-E-R. F-E-B, Feb. R-I-E-R-A, Fevrier. I repeat again. F-E-B-R-I-E-R, Fevrier. E-R, that is sound A. F-E-B, Feb. R-I-E, Fevrier. J-A-N, Jean, nasal sound A-N-R, so J-A-N, Jean. V-I-V-E-R-A, Janvier. F-E-B, Feb. R-I-D-E-R-A, Fevrier. M-A-R-S, Mar. M-A-R-S, S not pronounced, M-A-R, Mar. But spelling is M-A-R-S. Okay. Then April, A-V. A-V, Av, R-I-L, Ril, Avril. I repeat again. A-V, Av, R-I-L, Ril, Avril. May, M-A-I, A-I, A, so M-A-I, Ma. I repeat again. M-A-I, A-I, A, so M-A-I, Ma. J-U-I-N, joy. J-U-I-N, joy. I-N, but U-I-N, oy. So J-U-I-N, joy. Then J-U-I-L-L-E-T, juillet. I repeat again. J-U-I-L-L-E-T, juillet. Then August, A-O-U, circumflex T. I already discussed the all of accents. That is the symbol. Where do we pronounce very fast? Ut. A-O-U, circumflex T. Ut. I repeat again. A-O-U, circumflex T. Ut. Then S-E-P, sep. T-E-M, ta. B-R-E, br. I repeat again. S-E-P, sep. T-E-M, ta. B-R-E, br. Septembre. S-E-P, sep. T-E-M, ta. B-R-E, septembre. O-C, oc. T-O, to. B-R-E, br. October. I repeat again. O-C, oc. T-O, to. B-R-E, br. October. I repeat again. S-E-P, sep. T-E-M, ta. B-R-E, br. Septembre. O-C, oc. T-O, to. B-R-E, br. October. N-O, no. V-M, va. B-R-E, br. Novembre. N-O, no. V-M, va. B-R-E, Novembre. And D-E, accent aigu, de. C-M, sa. B-R-E, br. December. I repeat again. D-E, accent aigu, de. C-M, sa. B-R-E, br. December. We repeat again. J-A-N, Jean, V-I-V-E-R-A, Janvier. F-E-B-R-I-E-R, Fevrier. M-A-R-S, Mar. A-V-R-I-L, Avril. M-A-I, Ma. J-U-I-N, Joy. J-U-I-L-L-E-T, Juillet. A-O-U, circumflex T, Ut. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-R-E, Septembre. O-C, Octio, to. B-R-E, Octobre. N-O, no. V-M, Van, B-R-E, br. Novembre. And D-E, accent aigu, C-M, sa. B-R-E, December. So we have to cover the month of the year. Now, season of the year. Season of the year, that is season of the year, saison de l'année. Okay, saison de l'année. Saison de l'année. Yes. Saison de l'année. That it means season of the year. Saison means season, de l'année of the year. Any European country, there are the only the four seasons: summer, winter, autumn or monsoon, and spring. I repeat again: summer, winter, autumn, and spring. So summer, A te, E accent tegu, T E accent tegu, A te. I repeat again: A accent tegu, T E accent tegu, A te. When I discuss the accent tegu, you put this example: A te, full smile, A te. Then winter, hiver. H is not pronounced, H-I-V-E-R, hiver. I repeat again: H-I-V-E-R, hiver. Then autumn, autumn, A-U-O-T-O, to, M-N-E, man, autumn. Autumn, A-U-T-O-M-N-E, autumn. Then spring, spring, P-R-I-N, T-E-M-P-S, ta, printemps. I repeat again: P-R-I-N, T-E-M-P-S, ta, printemps, I-N-A. So P-R-I-N, E-M-R, so T-E-M, ta, P-S silent. So I repeat again: Ete, that means summer; hiver, that means winter; automne, that means autumn; and printemps, that means spring. So when you practice with spelling, you have to practice because you have no oral, only for your written exam. So every day 10 to 15 minutes you practice with spelling, not orally. Verbally you have to write in your copy to practice it, and every day 10 to 15 minutes you have to practice it. Again I told you, if you any problem, any doubt, tell me, I have to rectify your problem. Okay, so today we have to cover the days of the week and the month of the year. Month of the year and the season of the year. Okay, so you have to practice in your home. If you any problem, tell me, I rectify your problem. So today is for that. Till then, bye bye.